Your OnePlace panel allows you to do many functions. One of the first is to monitor your tank levels. When I push that button, I'm able to check on my freshwater tank, my LP gas tank, my gray waste tank, as well as my black waste tank. On the right, I have a battery level that'll show me both my chassis battery voltage and my house battery voltage. On the left-hand side, I have a water pump switch. This will turn on or turn off the water pump. There is a secondary water pump switch located in your Travato near your bathroom, as well as on the water panel in the rear of the coach. In order to start your generator, you will hold the start button down and you will hear it come on. This is important when you want to operate anything that's on a 110 power system, like your air conditioner, your microwave, or anything that you plug into a 110 receptacle. As far as monitoring your runtime on your generator, you can hit the meter right here. And in order to stop your generator, just hold the stop button down.